DroneShield receives $1.8 million contract from U.S. Department of Defense. DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Anti-drone system solutions provider DroneShield has announced its receipt of an $1.8 million contract from the United States Department of Defense, DoD, for its DroneGun MKIII handheld counter-drone system. The order will be delivered later in the month, with payment to be received in full during the current quarter. This new contract comes after a prior down selection by the DoD's Joint Counter-Small Unmanned Aircraft Systems Office, JCO, for an assessment of the DroneGun MKIII. It's an honor to provide our DoD customers with advanced cUAS solutions to help address complex security requirements, said DroneShield's Director of Business Development Tom Branstetter. DroneShield is committed to delivering critical force protection technology that enables security personnel to rapidly respond to this growing threat, Branstetter added. As the threat of UAS continues to seemingly adapt in real time, countermeasures need to be both effective and flexible, added DroneShield US CEO Matt McNabbon. DroneGun MKIII is that lightweight, flexible countermeasure that can go anywhere and serve as the ideal gap-fill capability to protect personnel and assets wherever they might need to operate. We look forward to continuing to support our DoD end users wherever, whenever needed. DroneShield's largest sale in the U.S. yet, this contract comes after the news of several other contracts by the company, such as the $2 million European sale of DroneSentry fixed-site systems and the initial U.S. airport deployment. DroneShield is additionally proceeding with active discussions on sales to Ukraine after the first deployment at the start of the war earlier in the year. Subscribe to DroneLife for more commercial drone news.